Apply Sequin in Area. This tool is useful to add sequin in specific area. Here, we have some line objects. Here, we will add some drawing objects. We want to add sequins in this drawing shapes. First, select one object and press Apply Sequin in Area button. Here, you can see that shape filled with A sequins. Now, if we want to fill B sequins in this shape, select one object and press Apply Sequin in Area button with Ctrl key. Here, you can see that shape filled with B sequins. Now, if we want to apply A B sequins together in one stitch, select object and press Apply Sequin in Area button with Ctrl and Alt key. Here, you can see that shape filled with AB sequins. We can also know AB sequin as dual sequins or sandwich sequins. Now, if we want to apply C sequins in this shape, we can apply all the sequences according to our machinery and sequence device with Color ID method. First, select the object, and you can see that this object has a green color. Its color ID is first. Now if we want to apply C sequence, then we have to do its color ID 4. It means yellow color. Now press Apply Sequins in Area button with Alt key. Here, you can see that shape filled with C sequins. I mentioned all the threads color ID at the end of the video. We can also use Apply Sequins in Area button like a Bezier tool. Click on Apply Sequins in Area button and select the area with mouse where you want to apply sequins. Let's see again. We can use this button in a multiple way. Here, you can see all the thread color ID, and next to which sequins will apply.